What's up, guys? Guess what? Got my car back. Right there. Man, I haven't driven this thing in like... Okay, that didn't work. Okay, I'll just do this then. Oh, it is good. Okay. Haven't driven this thing in like a month and a half, I think. No, I can't stay here like that. Hold on, let me try something. I think my thing came off. I'll just have it like that. Alright. Wow. Haven't driven this thing in like a month and a half. It's had a lot of problems. Got it fixed. About $1,300, including taxes and all the fees and stuff. It was about $1,200 to replace the engine. Okay, for the moment of truth, let's see. Yeah, I can definitely tell it sounds different than my last engine. It's a little bit louder, but it seems fine. My lock switch works. I have my separate phone just to make sure that got my OnePlus One. Can't see a thing with these. I gotta turn the brightness up. God, it's like pure glass. Oh, whew. I hit it perfectly. You can't see it, but I can. Alright, I gotta stop the video, pause it. Alright. Got my phone connected. Now I just gotta connect to Bluetooth to my stereo, see if it works. Here we go. It's connecting. Yes. Pair. It's connected. Oh, you heard it? This is you during Ryder if you're watching this. I doubt it though. Now I just want to see if both subs are working, because I know I had that problem last time. Oh, here's old parts and stuff. Yes, both are working. Okay. There's So that's why it's not like the full thing, because the sound is being distorted by the box in the back. Okay. Stuff I want to work works. One more time. Sounds pretty horrible because the box. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video. Thanks guys for watching. Finally got my car back. Now, this doesn't change much. I'm still gonna be riding my bike. The only time I'm gonna be using this car is hopefully, possibly, is just for driving back and forth to school. Which would be the end of October through the first week of March. That's the only time I'm gonna be using my car. Hopefully, I still want to be able to ride my bike as much as possible. I hate burning oil, and I like to rely on, you know, myself to get somewhere, not another machine. I definitely think that's something that, you know, us, humanity's lost, that, you know, we don't need a car to get like just maybe like 5 minutes away. Bike on the road. I mean, it's not really that hard. I mean, it's gonna be hard when you first try it, probably, yeah, but get your bike or get a bike. And, you know, after this, I'm definitely gonna try if I can get a job in, you know, maybe like the West Coast area, because half my family lives over there. I definitely want to see if I can try to sell my car and just rely on my bike to get me places. Because if I can go to work on my bike and I can just take public transit, that's a one-up for me. That's a one-up. Yeah, because I hate paying for gas. I hate paying $1,300 to fix my car if something goes wrong with it. That's just horrible. And, you know, the money could have gone somewhere else. But as of right now, you just got to deal with it. I just got to deal with it. But, alright, thanks guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, like it, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya.